Top 20 Henry Ford Quotes. Henry Ford was founder of the Ford Motor Company. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. The highest use of capital is not to make more money, but to make money do more for the betterment of life. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. I am looking for a lot of men who have an infinite capacity to not know what can't be done. Vision without execution is just hallucination. I cannot discover that anyone knows enough to say what is and what is definitely not possible. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. The best way to make money in business is not to think too much about making it. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages. Enthusiasm is the yeast that makes your hopes shine to the stars.